Hi everyone, Chelsea Higgison here. I have decided to share with you asluniversity.com. I find myself using this website quite a bit as an American Sign Language teacher, and one reason I prefer it over the other sign language websites is because this gentleman right here, Dr. Bill, is actually the founder and creator of the website, and he is deaf, so he knows what he's signing about, and all of the signs that you learn on this website, you can be confident in the fact that they are correct. So he definitely knows what he's signing about. Okay, so these lessons right here my students really enjoy because they can work at their own pace, rewind, stop, play it as many times as they want, and he, Dr. Bill, is actually giving the lesson to a hearing student. And if you don't want to watch the whole video, you have these lesson objectives where you can work through each of these different sections at your own pace. What's also really neat is down here is the list of the vocabulary already nicely right here for you that you can click on to learn the signs you'll need for that lesson. Once you're done learning the signs, there are also practice sentences down here with the ASL sentence and then right next to it, the English sentence. Notice they are written differently. ASL is not a form of signed English. Many people believe that ASL, you just learn signs and you sign them in an English word order, but that is not correct. So you can also navigate through all of these bullet points right here and learn more about deaf people, their culture, some fingerspelling techniques, and it is an extremely informative site. So hope you enjoyed this.